when users are going through that particular product, you have to create a design that resonates with the brand. It's just not a design, it is an experience. So just communicate something to them. Are you a product designer? And have you ever wondered what makes a project really functional and captivating? Here are 3 things you should know before designing any screen. Number 1, you need to understand the user needs and goal. Number 2, you need to understand visual hierarchy and layout. Number 3, you need to be consistent and you need to understand the brand. Let me just give you a brief explanation of 3 of them. Number 1, what is user needs and goal? User needs and goal simply explain you going into what user needs are, understanding their pain points, understanding what is required, and how you can solve their problem for them. Basically, you are trying to make their life easier. That is your starting point. Your starting point is understanding their goal. So you can understand your user needs and go through several means. You could have an interview, what works for you and the project. The end goal of all of this process is for you to understand what the users are going through, which is their pain point, and you providing solution to, in the end, making their life easier. Number 2, visual hierarchy and layout. In a designer is like a compass. You're guiding the user basically you arrange each element like a storyteller, and you guide the user eyes to what is important per screen or on that particular screen. Number 3, that is consistency and branding. You have to create a design that resonates with the brand. It's just not a design, it is an experience. So when users are going through that particular product, you should not just see a design, it should resonate and communicate something to them. Alright, so that's the 3 things you should consider before designing every screen. Thank you. I hope you are blessed. Bye bye. Be good.